If your tech looks like yesterday's news, you're missing out on the wave of innovation shaping our world. Let's catch up. Technic is all about applying science and math to real-world problems. Think 3D printing revolutionizing how we manufacture, or automation boosting efficiency across industries. It's the backbone of our technological progress. But what about innovation? It's not just new products, it's turning great ideas into valuable solutions. Electric vehicles, renewable energy, these are game changers making our world better, everyday life. Look no further than smart home devices or telemedicine. They streamline our tasks and improve our health access. Plus, eco-friendly innovations are paving the way for a sustainable future, and the future trends, AI, blockchain, biotechnology, they're set to transform industries, enhancing efficiency, security, and healthcare. Staying updated is key to riding this wave of change. So, if you're curious about how technic and innovation shape our lives, hit that subscribe button and join us at Daily Tech for more insights. Catch you in the future.